Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a great 71 Camaro for you today. It's body off the frame restored, has a performance-built 350 motor. There's a Hurst 4-speed sticking out of the console, and it's a 373 posi in the back. So a beautiful car, ready to go carve up those roads. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures, and that is where you will find price tags on all of the collector cars that we offer for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon, that way you're notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me, let's go for a spin. Yeah, they have a subframe, and that was dropped down, but pretty much everything was dropped down off the bottom of the car. So it is a frame off. The front end was all rebuilt, all the steering components, the tie rod ends, bushings, ball joints, shocks. All of it's been replaced. All the components are all nice, clean metal. Same thing in the back. The leaf springs, bushings, shocks have been replaced. It's got a nice dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers. You'll hear it towards the end of the video when we fire it up. Brake system's been all redone. The brake lines, the brake hoses, even the e-brake assembly. They're disc in front, drum in back. You look up at the motor, it's all fresh, clean Chevy orange paint. Got a high torque starter. And then the transmission, it's a 4-speed M20 Muncie, and all of it looks fresh. All the shift linkage looks new. The wiring harness for the reverse lights looks new. The rubber boot on the fork, I mean, all of that, the bell housing, the transmission itself, all looks spotless. And back it has its original, dated to the car, 12-bolt posi with 373 gears in it. Fuel system was replaced, the tank, the straps, sending unit. So everything under the car has been unbolted, replaced. It's all real nice. Excuse me. They did put reproduction floor pans in it, so it's all metal. And under the car is painted black. It looks really nice and clean. Excuse me. Repainted its original Ascot blue, no vinyl top, so it's all blue. The car shows really well. Now, I've been dealing with some really high-end cars lately. I mean, you know, $25,000, $30,000 body and paint jobs. This is not one of those, but it's really good. So I'm going to knock it down a couple notches, but keep in mind, I'm comparing that to the best of the best. 9 out of 10 people would walk up to this and say it's, you know, absolutely fabulous. The roof is nice and straight. They put full quarters on it, and the seam is right here. Actually, from the factory, that's where the seam would be, and you can kind of see the body work a little bit. If you look for it, you'll see a little something there. This all fits nice and square. It has the low spoiler. Like there's just a little divot, a little dimple right here. When they were block sanding it, maybe you know, they could have done it a little bit better. And I'm looking for things. Keep that in mind. You walk up on this car, you say, wow, it's beautiful. What was Jay talking about? The body lines are nice. This is all real good. Fits real nice. This side does not have that issue. It's just on the other side. It all fits real good. Got a little bit of a gap here, but clean, no bubbles down at the bottom at all. In the center of the hood, there is a little dimple up, like maybe the wing nut was too big on the air cleaner. It left a little dent. Our dent guy will try and flatten that a little bit. This gap is a little bit big up front. So the body on it is very good, very respectable. I pointed out a few of the things that I noticed about it. The paint, it's all uniform. It's one color all around. There's no mismatched panels. It's laid out evenly. It has a very glossy clear coat. But like the body, if you look for imperfections, there are some. There's a little nick here on the edge that's touched up. Up on top here, maybe it could be wet sanded one more time. Just little divots or pieces of dust in the paint, little imperfections. And again, most people will not see that. If you're one of them really fussy guys, you'll look for it when you're looking for it. Looks like all the trim's been replaced. Marker lights, bumpers, tail lights, emblems, the moldings around the windows, the door handles, all the trim on top of the doors, even the wiper blades, our arms are shiny. Yeah, like I said, the emblems. Up front, the bumper, the grill, all that looks like it's been replaced. It has the nice wheels. The tires look brand new. They look like they have no wear on the tread at all. It has a new windshield. And all the weather strips and window seals are replaced. They're all nice rubber. So there's the outside. I'm going to open it up, show you what's inside. All right. Got some goodies in the trunk for you. Comes with this car cover. It's a nice soft blue car cover. The original gauge cluster, because we'll show you there's some new gauges in there. It looks like a new chrome Hurst handle. It's all solid metal. I was mentioning the quarter panel was replaced. They are full quarters on both sides. We got a new mat, new weather strip, and it's painted up nicely. It doesn't want to stay open on its own. The springs must be worn. I see new speakers under there. There's 6x9 speakers in the back window. Like I said, new weather strips around the doors. They fit real nice. The interior is probably the cleanest part of the car. I sat in here and said, wow, it's like immaculate. The door panel, the upper and lower, the armrest, the door handle, the window crank, all that looks new. The dash pad is new and it fits nice. Custom instrument panel with a matched set of sport comp gauges. There's a retro stereo in the factory location with a 12-volt receptacle. You can plug in your phone. The center console, the shift bezel, all this is in excellent shape. The seats have new cushion and upholstery, so look how nice it all fits. It's not wrinkled, it feels nice and firm. Down on the floor it has new carpet, and the carpet actually fits really well, and it has embroidered mats. Noticing the trim on the pedals are new. In back, just as nice. The seats, the carpet, the side panels, all that's been replaced. It's very tidy. The headliner and visors have been replaced. The dome light works. Owner's manual's in the glove box. The inside mirror is new. So inside the car, I'm going to call that excellent. Has a healthy running 350 motor. We've got a good cam in there. We got Edelbrock heads, Edelbrock intake, a dual feed Holley carburetor, HEI ignition system, a set of coated headers that look real nice. And a lot of this stuff looks really fresh. The fuel pump looks brand new. The alternator still has stickers on it. And all the brackets and pulleys and all the nuts and bolts, everything looks so fresh. It's dressed up with a nice set of Chevrolet tall aluminum valve covers. Of course, it features power steering, power brakes. It has new power steering hoses, new wiper motor. The stickers are still on it. The inner fenders, all the metal is all smooth, clean metal, all painted real nicely. It's got the horns, it's got new battery cables, the hoses look new. The squirter bottle's hooked up. Just very, very clean and proper motor compartment. So there you have it. I think it's a nice looking car, attractive color. You got some performance. These handle great. This is a car you're going to want to take out on a Sunday morning before there's traffic, and you're going to want to hit those curves and shift through the gears. Be a lot of fun. The underside, the motor, the interior, I'm going to say is excellent. The body and paint is very good. That's my impression. Go to volocars.com. Talk to the salesman. Ask them any questions or share with them your concerns. They'll help you the best they can. They can get this delivered to your driveway. They can get you financed at volocars.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.